Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Aid. In this guide video, I will show you how to log out from OlympTrade app. So first of all, launch up an OlympTrade application. You can see over here OlympTrade application has been opened. If you're logged into your account initially, you'll be led to this kind of interface. So logging out from your OlympTrade app is actually very simple. For that, what you have to do is tap on the profile icon that you can see at the top left corner of your screen. Now you can see over here you'll be led to your profile interface. At bottom you'll be able to find the option for settings. Simply tap on it. Now you'll be led to the settings interface. In this interface you'll be able to find several options. What you have to do is scroll down to the bottom. Now over here you'll be able to find the option for logout. Simply tap on it. Now this kind of pop-up will appear. Tap on the option logout. Now you can see over here you'll be logged out of OlympTrade account. So that is how you log out from OlympTrade app. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.